What up guys, in this video I'm going to be talking about the Supreme Nike NBA sneakers. So the NBA Nike stuff was the first collab of summer spring 18. Not a strong start, I will say. I was definitely not a fan of this collab at all. It seemed very lazy and just kind of tacky to me. But with current trends being remixing 90s classic stuff, I mean, these fit right in there. It's pretty much all in fashion. People are walking around with off-white and Balenciaga stuff looking like billboards. So this definitely fits right up in there. This shoe is just all logos. But I will say that this has always been my favorite model of the Air Force One. I was never a high dude or a low dude. I always got the mids. Between the black and the white, I definitely like the white version, but these are the ones I could get my hands on. They came in a Nike box, has the Supreme box logo on the side, and that's about it. It just says Air Force One Mid 07 Supreme. Slidey box. Oh, the paper also has Nike and Supreme logos on it. The shoes obviously have the basketball teams screen printed all over the shoes. The right shoe is the East Side teams and the left shoe is the West Side teams. What I'm curious to know is if the teams that are on the toe box, how that's gonna hold up with wear and if it's gonna crack and peel off, or like if all the other teams are just gonna crack and peel off. I'm sure they'll eventually fade in color. I'm really wondering about that toe box because that's where it normally gets really creased up at. As Supreme embroidered on the strap, nice touch, but still does not help this ugly ass shoe. As the custom lace locks on it that say AF1 Supreme 2018, that's probably the coolest part about this shoe. The quality on these is pretty much what you would expect. I don't see any major like glue flaws or any kind of flaws in the leather. It looks like your typical Air Force One. But being that they are mids and they're black on black, this is the worst shoe I've ever seen. Well, this is the worst rendition of an Air Force One I've ever seen. I'm not keeping this pair. I didn't pay for this pair. My roommate bought these and he's just let me review them. And I definitely would never spend that much money. I wouldn't buy this sneaker for any amount of money. I would never buy this sneaker. This is the ugliest sneaker I've ever seen, and I'm surprised Supreme would even drop this. That's all I really have to say about this ugly and boring shoe. Make sure to watch my other videos. Make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.